Welcome back children. I hope all you are well and doing great. Today we are going to start new chapter that is component of food. So let us begin. Food is necessary for all living beings. We need food for proper growth and development. Food is any substance normally eaten or drunk by living things. The term food also includes liquid drinks. Food is the main source of energy and of nutrition for animals. Food is a kind of fuel for the living things, just as petrol fuel for our car. In the same way, food is a fuel for our body. So, what is food? Food is a nutritive substance taken by an organism for growth, work, repair, and maintaining life processes. We get food from the plants and animals. What are the function of food? Food help us to grow, food give us energy to perform different activities. Food are needed to make ourselves healthy. The useful substance in food that provide you all these three functions are called nutrients. So, nutrients are the component of food that all organisms need to get energy for growth, development and to keep themselves healthy. There are different type of nutrients present in our food. These are also called components of food. So there are 6 type of component of food or 6 type of nutrients present in our food are carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and trophies. So let us start with carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are one of the main type of nutrients. They are the most important source of energy for your body. Your digestive system changes carbohydrate into glucose. Glucose is also called blood sugar. Your body uses this sugar for energy for your cells, tissues and organs. Cells are actually the body building blocks of the body of all the living organism. Just as building is made up by joining bricks with other bricks, our body is also made of several units known as cells. Thus, they are considered as building blocks of the body of living beings. Cell together will form the tissue, and tissue will form the organs, and organ will form the organ system. And different type of organ system together will form the organism. There are different type of organ system in our body. For example, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, nervous system. Your body stores any extra sugar in your liver and muscles for when it is needed. So, extra sugar in your body is stored in liver and in the muscles. So, what are the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate mainly provide energy to our body. Therefore, it is also called energy giving food. Different sources of carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potato, sweet potato, maize, sugarcane. So these are the sources of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate mainly provide instant energy to our body, and glucose is present in the form of starch in the food items. Now, proteins. Proteins are needed for the growth and development and repair of body. They are called body building food. Protein is an important component of every cell in the body. Hair and nails are mostly made up of protein. Your body uses protein to build and repair the tissue. You also use protein to make enzymes, hormones, and other chemical substances in your body. Protein is also used for building blocks of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. Enzymes are the substances that are used in digestion, and hormones are the chemical substance that is needed for the proper body functioning. Different sources of proteins are fish, pulses, meat, milk and egg. So all these are the rich source of protein. Milk is very nutritious and a rich source of protein. It also contains calcium for healthy bones. Chicken eggs are a rich source of protein and vitamins. Meat of animals such as goat, chicken, fish are rich source of protein. Pulses are part of a healthy, balanced diet and have been shown to have an important role in preventing illness such as cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. Pulses are a low fat source of protein. Now let us understand about the fat. Fat gives us heat and energy. Fats are stored in our body. The body uses fat as a fuel source and fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. Different sources of fat are oil, milk, cheese, butter, etc. So these are the food items that are rich in fat. Obesity is generally caused by eating too much and moving too little. If you consume high amount of energy, particularly fat and sugars, but do not burn off the energy through exercise and physical activities, much of the surplus energy will be stored by the body as fat. Being obese can also increase your risk of developing many serious health conditions, including diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, which can lead to heart diseases. Now let us understand about the vitamins. Vitamins are present in fresh fruit and vegetables. So fresh fruits and vegetables are a rich source of vitamins. These are needed in very small quantity. If the body does not get them in sufficient quantity, it can result in many diseases. Functions of vitamins. Vitamins help in protecting our body against different type of diseases. They also keep our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Some of the vitamins are soluble in water, whereas others are soluble in fat or oils. So, on the basis of their solubility, all the vitamins can be divided into two classes or two groups, that are water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B group and vitamin C, and fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K. So today we learned about the different type of component of food. In next video, you will learn about different functions of vitamins and different type of vitamins. Thank you.